This apartment's built in the 1970s. There's 12 units in this apartment. This unit is 35 meters square. My inspiration is definitely to do with the limitation and the constraint this apartment has. And so I want to see if I can fit a big house into a small apartment. I actually kept the layout pretty much as it is, including the internal walls and the plumbings. The design of the living space revolves around how to create a living and home office in the same space. Spaces do need to appear and disappear when you need them to. Even comes down to the furniture you pick need to be flexible. My lounge chair can convert from a lounging to an office chair. And at nighttime that gets folds away and the TV reveals itself. The dining space isn't something I use every day, and it's only special occasions when guest visits. So it can slice out to form a very comfortable dining space for 4 to 6 people. The kitchen is definitely the feature. It's 4 meters long, so you got 3 meters of clear bench space. Everything is concealed. A window, it's punched through between the bathroom and kitchen to borrow daylight from the bathroom area. The glass between the bathroom and the kitchen, it's a privacy film, and it's activated just by a press of a button. This apartment doesn't have any outdoor space. I need to bring the sense of outdoor in here. To achieve that, I put a green wall on the bathroom. The moss is real moss being preserved. For me, that's a backdrop for land to put real plants in front of it. To shower, you're standing on the timber tiles and surrounded by green. It kind of refreshes you. One material used in the living is the mirror for the cabinet doors and stuff, including the skirting. So that is used to give the illusion of an extended, bigger space. Designing small space is a very tailored way of designing, so everything needs to be carefully considered. You've got to know your lifestyle, so what's important for you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Never Too Small channel by clicking on the logo and the notification bell to receive updates on our latest episodes.